नमस्कार, मैं हूं श्वेता झा और आप देख रहे हैं आज तक। सबसे पहले और सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं मुंबई और वहां की तस्वीरें आपको दिखाते हैं, क्योंकि अरुण जेटली पहुंच चुके हैं। मुंबई में दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड के लिए कार्यक्रम रखा गया है। शशि कपूर को अब से थोड़ी ही देर के बाद दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा जाएगा। हिंदी सिनेमा का सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड है दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड। ऋषि कपूर यहाँ मंच पर पहुंच चुके हैं और जो गणमान्य वहां पर अतिथि उनका स्वागत कर रहे हैं।
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, first I'd like to start with thanking the Indian government of all the Kapoors for conferring this award on my uncle Shashi Kapoor. It gives me great pleasure to tell you that this is the third time in my family, in our family, that the award has been given by the government. My grandfather, Prithviraj Kapoor, my father, Raj Kapoor, and now my uncle, Shashi Kapoor. Shashi uncle and myself have probably worked in about 3 to 4 films. And all those films were with my wife and myself, Neetu and me. Kabhi Kabhi, Dusra Aadmi, Duniya Meri Jeb Mein. And I've had the pleasure of being directed by Shashi Kapoor as a director. And he is the only director I have worked with who's to direct the stick. I hope you remember that, Abhijit. Absolutely. He is to direct us with a stick. I've been told to take very little time. The minister is busy. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very, very happy Mother's Day today. Especially I'd like to wish my cousins, Kunal, Sanjana, Karan in London, is their Father's Day as well. I'm reminded of this occasion of Shashi uncle saying these memorable words in that film Diwar, Mere Paas Maa Hai. Ladies and gentlemen, I call Mr. Shashi Kapoor right in front of you.
आज एक हर्फ को फिर ढूंढता फिरता है ख्याल। शशि कपूर, a junoon, a legend, an icon. Celebrating an incredible journey through 7 decades.
Shashi Kapoor started his cinematic journey as a child actor in 1948 with the film Aag and then Awara.
माँ, तुम मेरे बालों में तेल क्यों डालती हो?
He has been a trailblazer in many ways.
Not just the art of acting, but in the art of cinema, how to take it further, what more can be added to it. These are some of the qualities that Shashi Ji has actually contributed to the film industry.
The 1965 classic Jab Jab Phool Khile established him as a commercial star.
I mean, he's a wonderful actor with flair of comedy. You know, his dancing is divine.
वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगे तुम मेरा साथ जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ मैं भी हूँ.
A man of intense, creative and cinematic integrity, Shashi Kapoor acted in more than 150 films, most of which became critical and commercial successes.
तुम बहुत अच्छा गाना गाता है. हमारी तरफ से तुमको बख्शीश.
बख्शीश? तुम हमें बख्शीश दोगे? तुम हमारी बराबरी करते, शर्म नहीं आती तुम्हें?
साहब, इसमें शर्म का क्या बात है? पहला हम अच्छा गाना गाया, तुम बख्शीश दिया. अब तुम अच्छा गाना गाया, हम बख्शीश दिया.
Parallel Indian cinema, Hollywood and other international productions saw his acting prowess at its peak.
He was the first person who started working in Hollywood. And now we feel so happy when we realize that, oh, these people are being accepted in Hollywood, but Shashi Kapoor did it all the way then.
You know, you don't look like an actress.
Of course I do.
At that very moment, Amanullah Khan gave a secret sign to his men.
He formed some of the most memorable acting partnerships ever seen in Indian films.
क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
मेरे पास माँ है.
मैंने तेरी पिटाई की थी.
मेरी पिटाई की थी? कब? कहाँ?
15 साल पहले, जब तू बहुत छोटा था.
He would accept projects, even though he had to work, say, on 3 or at times even 4 different films the same day. And to be absolutely disciplined and punctual in all 4 of them each day and not bat an eyelid was unheard of.
कह दूं तुम्हें क्या चुप रहूं दिल में मेरे आज क्या है.
सुनो, मैं तुम्हीं से कह रहा हूँ, कहीं फिर ना कह देना कि तुम तो मुझे जानती नहीं.
He fell in love at a young age and married his sweetheart Jennifer Kendall. With a background in English theatre, she deeply influenced his views towards theatre and cinema.
You see, my wife has gone away. And I miss her very much. चाहे जमीन पर गुजरूं या आसमान में रहूं, मैं तुमसे बेहद प्यार करता हूं.
The year 1978 saw Shashi Kapoor taking up 2 major challenges. He fulfilled his father's dream by establishing Prithvi Theatre in Mumbai, which is a mecca for theatre lovers all over the country.
Not many people do that. And for him to have put all his energy, his money, his interest in something like Prithvi Theatres is truly remarkable.
He also formed the production company Filmwalas to make films he strongly believed in, which led to the production of critically acclaimed films like Junoon, Kalyug, 36 Chaurangi Lane, Vijayta and Utsav. Shashi Kapoor has received numerous Filmfare Awards, 4 national awards and the Padma Bhushan. Today, the nation proudly presents its preeminent award for cinema, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, to Shri Shashi Kapoor ji for his outstanding contribution to the world of art and cinema.
धन्यवाद हमारी सरकार का कि आपने एक नहीं, 2 नहीं, पर तीसरी बार हमें एक पुरस्कार दिया है.
But he has got, for the passion this man had for good cinema.
Honoring Shashi Kapoor, we honor ourselves.
स्वस्थ रहो, खुश रहो.
So when I told him that they have awarded him the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, he looked at me and he said, "Who, me?" I said, "Yeah, they've given it to you." And he just laughed.
I now request the Honourable Minister, Shri Arun Jaitley, to come and give our Papa
And Shashi Kapoor, the award is to the Secretary of Creative Broadcasting Industry. There will be a shawl and a Swarna Kamal and a certificate of these 10 lakhs.
Shri Shashi Kapoor ji, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a very important and a charting moment that one of the veterans of the film industry is being honored with the highest cinema award for the year 2014, the Dadasaheb Phalke Award. It's being conferred on Shri Shashi Kapoor ji, undoubtedly one of the most versatile personalities Indian cinema has produced. An actor par excellence, who in his time competed with the very best and almost competed to different generations of film actors and carved out a niche for himself. Produced, directed various kinds of film. Combined commercial cinema with alternative cinema, defied languages, brought Hindi cinema in Hollywood closer, and then didn't leave his love for the theatre. And it's only a fitting tribute that he couldn't attend the function in New Delhi at Vigyan Bhavan. So the award is being physically and symbolically conferred on him in an institution that he himself created, the Prithvi Theatre. You represent a great legacy, and as your equally distinguished nephew said that this is the third award being conferred in your family. The way it produces talent, I'm sure this is not the last one. My best wishes to you for a improved health and a very long life. We wish you all the best, Shashi Kapoor.
May I request
Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji to please come and extend a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Honorable Minister for Finance, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to express our gratitude to you, Arun ji, for being present here with us today and conferring this prestigious award to Shashi ji, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Despite your very busy schedule, you have found time to grace this occasion. That is most generous of you. It also conveys a lot of compassion that you have for Shashi ji and indeed for the entire film industry. Thank you so much, sir. Prithvi Theatres, as you've heard before, has been a wonderful tribute by Shashi ji to his legendary and incredible father, Prithvi Raj ji, who was responsible for spreading theatre in India in such a large way, but has also been a very subtle and a wonderful tribute to his wife Jennifer and to his father-in-law, Geoffrey Kendall, who himself ran Shakespeareana. And both Shashi ji and Jennifer were an integral part of Shakespeareana. So thank you, Kunal, for choosing Prithvi to be the choice of the occasion. There could not have been a better choice than today. I also want to thank Rishi ji and Ranbir for their cooperation and support, and all the relatives and friends who have very gracefully attended this occasion today. And last of all, thank you so much, Shashi ji, for being just who you are, a most caring and compassionate human, a wonderful colleague, and a caring and a very generous friend. Keep well, Shashi ji. Thank you so much.